Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboard for Mac? In this video we will look at some of the best ergonomic keyboard for Mac on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. K8 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. Hot Swappable Keyboard. 3 modes. Bluetooth Compatible Keyboard. 100 keys. Silent Typing. BT 5.02.4 GHz/Type-C. Wired for a sports gaming office. Equipped with next generation wireless transmission technology, this wireless mechanical keyboard ensures faster data transfer and key response, even in complex wireless environments, maintaining a quick and responsive performance. With multiple layers of pads, EVA sound-absorbing cotton, and bottom cushion design, this keyboard minimizes hard collisions and cavity noise, providing an efficient and silent typing experience. Featuring a sleek and minimalist design, this keyboard saves desktop space and provides more usable area for mobile office setups, allowing for a clutter-free and organized workspace. Paired with a high polling rate and a large lithium battery, this hot swappable mechanical keyboard offers low latency performance and long-lasting battery life. It meets the demands of sports enthusiasts, ensuring worry-free gaming sessions. With support for 3 connectivity modes, Bluetooth compatible 5.0/wireless 2.4G/Type-C wired, this computer keyboard offers a versatile solution for different usage scenarios. Its clean and exquisite design allows users to easily switch between modes according to their specific needs. Number 2. K620 Mini Gaming Mechanical Keyboard. The button sound is relatively quiet. Linear switch, meaning that the force at the beginning and the end of each stroke is nearly identical. Most people think they are smoother and faster feelings. The sound of keys is relatively quiet. The button sound is relatively loud. With a sense of collision, suitable for typing. Since the sound of the blue switch is louder than the sound of other mechanical switches when in use, this has given many people a comment that it is very pleasant in 61 key blue switch black/white/pink/blue/white black/white applicable models. General type, mechanical keyboard shaft body, blue, red switch number of keys, 61, keys interface, used whether to support plug and play, support connection with computer, Type-C wired whether there are multimedia function keys, yes shortcut key. Yes with or without hand rest, no waterproof function, support waterproof key technology, mechanical shaft backlight function, 7 color backlight whether to support ergonomics, support material, obsline length, about 1.7 m product size, about 300 x 110 x 36 Some features: 1 Type-C interface, the key line is separated 2. Blue, red switch mechanical switch, 3. Side light strip, RGB lighting effect 4.61 key arrangement 5. 2 color keycaps 6. Support ergonomics 7. Adjustable double-ended foot support 8. Universal for Win/Mac package list 1 wired mechanical keyboard 1 Type-C line 1 instruction. Number 3. Rechargeable wireless keyboard. No need to replace or dispose alkaline batteries anymore. Both wireless keyboard and mouse are built in 500 mAh batteries. 1 full recharge provide more than 120 hours work. And the keyboard and mouse will automatically come into indulgent sleep mode if no activities in 20s. Which ensure high power efficiency and long battery life. Wireless keyboard mouse combo are adapted with enhanced 2.4G chipset for dropout-free connection. You will enjoy high-efficient smooth work without wires tangles. And 1 tiny nano receiver is unified use for both keyboard and mouse. Save your USB ports. The scissor across mechanism keystroke makes typing comfortable, light responsive, and the raising angles supports your hand for long time work. The silent mouse has soft click so no click disturb your surroundings anymore. The keycaps are thin flat Mac style for elegance and saving desktop space. The slim keyboard mouse with metallic finishing on top and streamline shape make it fashion on your workplace. Number 4. Mechanical keyboard. The mechanical keyboard adopts a compact keyboard with 60% layout and a small keyboard with arrow keys, saving more space for desktop transformation and improving the portability of office work and travel. The mini keyboard has built-in many RGB lighting effects, adjustable LED light brightness and breathing light speed. Our 60% keyboard supports simultaneous input on the full keyboard, no conflict, smooth typing and gaming. So this gaming keyboard 60% is designed for gamers, office workers, copywriters, programmers, typing teachers and editors. A strong mechanical feel with a crisp clicking sound when struck. No clicking sound when struck, less sound than green shaft. Suitable for people who like quiet. This mechanical keyboard is compatible with Win XP, Vista, Win 7, Win 8, Win 10A, Android, Linux, Macs, Low. Comes with detachable Type-C high-quality cable. More convenient keyboard connection, and wires are easier to store and preserve. Number 5. AULA F99 Mechanical Keyboard. AULA F99 is a brand new 3-mode versatile mechanical keyboard designed with a soft elastic gasket structure, 5-layered shock, and sound-absorbing design, single-key slotted FR4 PCB sockets, and many more features. The F99 provides a comfortable typing experience with its finely tuned stabilizers and customized mechanical switches. It has got exquisite build with textured nameplate and dual-tone PBT material keycaps. Upgrade the way you type with the all-new AULA F99. With the help of an extended one-piece silicone pad, the AULA F99 keyboard has a really soft elastic gasket structure design. The keyboard has better optimized resilience and stability, making the typing feel softer and more elastic. The AULA F99 keyboard has a single key slotted PCB plate. This design of independent slotting is better in terms of getting smooth typing feedback. The positioning plate is slotted horizontally. It is made up of high-quality FR4 material ensuring crisp typing. The AULA F99 keyboard has a 5-layered sound and shock-absorbing design. The gap between the PCB, positioning plate, and mechanical switches is filled with different padded layers such as expander shaft pad, pour-on sound-absorbing cotton, silicone-bottomed, etc. This setup provides extremely comfortable typing with soft acoustics. With new generation wireless connectivity, the AULA F99 keyboard provides its users with a low-latency ultra-fast connection. The keyboard has faster data transmission and key response. It has a fast trigger response along with a stable connection, making the F99 an ideal choice for daily usage. AULA F99 keyboard has a versatile 3-mode connectivity option. The keyboard supports wireless Bluetooth, wireless 2.4 GHz, and wired USB Type-C connection options. It can be connected to a wide range of devices including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android devices.